But nothing was happened to Seun because there were allegations reported by Punch newspaper, and some police officers were telling him in jail that if it was me you slapped, I would have killed you. Can you imagine such the police force we have? Can you imagine such the police force we have? And the police lawyer issued a statement. In fact, I wondered how the lawyers even think about the police force. The police lawyer issued a statement that Seun has the right to be handcuffed according to criminal law and his mugshot taken and his pictures. But should those pictures be released to the public? You know, he couldn't even defend himself, the police lawyer. I saw the statement issued. What kind of nonsense is that? Should the mugshots be released to the public? They said he was not paraded. There were pictures of him paraded with some other criminals. So people should stop lying.